Hello everyone, welcome to Little Officers. I hope your preparation is going well. Here is small addition again to your preparation. In this particular video, I'm going to cover all important straits and isthmuses. What is a strait? A strait is a narrow strip of water which connects two large water bodies. At the same time, it separates two large land masses. See, in the NCERT 6th class book, it is given. For example, if you see here, definition has also been given with an example. For example, here we have a Park Strait, which separates India and Sri Lanka, at the same time connects Bay of Bengal with the Indian Ocean. Okay. Now, on the contrary, we have isthmus. So it is quite opposite of strait. An isthmus, again, it's a narrow strip of land and connects two large land masses. At the same time, it separates two water bodies. So first, let us look at some of the important straits. So these straits are very busiest because of their importance in the international trade. At the same time, they are choke points, strategically important, and somehow or other they are always in the news. So let us try to look at some of the important straits. First, Strait of Hormuz. So what are the countries it separates? It separates Iran and Oman. At the same time, it connects the water bodies, that is Gulf of Oman and Persian Gulf. So this is an important choke point and very important for India also. Then the second strait is Bab el Mandeb. Where do we see this? It is a connecting strait between Red Sea and Gulf of Aden, and it is also very important and busiest route here because a lot of trade is done through this Suez Canal, Red Sea, and then through this uh, Gulf of Aden into Arabian Sea and others. So what are the separating countries here? On the north we have Yemen, and in the south you can see Djibouti, Eritrea and Somalia. So these are the separating countries. The next strait is Strait of Malacca. Once again, very busiest one. It is connecting Pacific Ocean with the Indian Ocean, and it separates Malaysia with Indonesia. So particularly the Sumatra island of Indonesia. Next is Park Strait. We have already covered it. It is between India and Sri Lanka. It separates India and Sri Lanka, at the same time connects Bay of Bengal with the Indian Ocean. Next is Sunda Strait. So it is between Java Island of Indonesia and Sumatra Island and connecting Java Sea with the Indian Ocean. So again, one of the important straits here. Next is Strait of Gibraltar. See, this is a strait between Spain from Europe and Morocco from Africa, and it connects Atlantic Ocean with the Mediterranean Sea. Then Bering Strait. See, it separates Asia and America. On the Asia side, Russia and America, and it connects Arctic Ocean with the Pacific Ocean. Next, Torres Strait. It separates Papua New Guinea and Australia and connects Gulf of Papua New Guinea and Arafura Sea. Next is Bass Strait. It connects Tasmanian Sea with the South Sea, at the same time separates Australia with Tasmania area. Then is Cook Strait, which separates North New Zealand with the South New Zealand and at the same time connects Tasmanian Sea with the Pacific Sea. Next important one, which is Taiwan Strait. This time it could be like important because of the current happenings between Taiwan and China. So this is also known as Formosa Strait. It is between China and Taiwan and connects South China Sea with the East China Sea. Next, very important strait, Kerch Strait. It has been in the news also because of the ongoing Ukraine and Russia war. It connects Black Sea with the Sea of Azov, at the same time separates Crimea from the mainland of Russia. Next, two more important straits in the area of Black Sea. They are Bosporus Strait. See, Bosporus Strait, it connects Sea of Marmara with the Black Sea. So what we get here is the Bosphorus Strait. At the same time, Sea of Marmara and Aegean Sea are connected by Dardanelles Strait. So both Bosphorus Strait and Strait, both of them are important. Dardanelles connects Aegean with the Sea of Marmara. Through that, it can connect it to Black Sea. Bosphorus directly connects Sea of Marmara with the Black Sea. Next important one is Otranto Strait. It is between Italy and Albania, and it connects Adriatic Sea with the Ionian Sea. Both of them are marginal seas within the Mediterranean seas. Next, Florida Strait and Yucatan Strait. See, both of them are at the Gulf of Mexico. The one which connects Gulf of Mexico with the Atlantic Ocean, this is Strait of Florida. At the same time, another strait which connects Gulf of Mexico with the Caribbean Sea is Yucatan Strait. Next is Hudson Strait. As the name suggests, it connects Hudson Bay with the Labrador Sea, and at the same time, it divides Baffin Island from the mainland of the Labrador Peninsula here. Next in the nearby is Davis Strait. It separates Canada from the Greenland, and at the same time it connects Baffin Bay here to Labrador Sea. Another strait in the region is Denmark Strait, which separates Greenland from the Iceland. At the same time, it connects Arctic Ocean with the Atlantic Ocean. And the last of the straits is Dover Strait, which separates Great Britain and France, and it is in the English Channel, and it connects English Channel with the North Sea. Now let us look at some of the important isthmuses. As we have seen, isthmus is a narrow strip of land which connects to larger bodies of land and separates at the same time to large water bodies. Let us look at some of the important isthmuses. First is Isthmus of Panama. It connects North American continent with the South American continent, and when it is cut, Panama Canal has been made. It connects Caribbean Sea, which is part of your Atlantic Sea, with the Pacific Ocean. So it is an important trading route as well. Next one is Kra Isthmus, which is in the peninsula of Thailand, which connects Gulf of Thailand with the Andaman Sea. And here China is proposing another canal known as Kra Canal. That's the reason why it is always in the news, because the Strait of Malacca, the nearby one, is overburdened and there is a lot of traffic. In order to have an alternative route, they are trying to have one more canal here. Okay, again it is going to become very strategic one. It is going to connect directly Gulf of Thailand with Andaman Sea, indirectly you can say South China and Indian Ocean or Bay of Bengal. Next well-known isthmus is Isthmus of Suez, which connects African continent with the Asian continent, here Egypt and Israel. And through that, Suez Canal has been made, and the canal connects Mediterranean Sea with the Red Sea, so giving direct access to the Atlantic Sea and Indian Ocean. Next and the last of the important isthmuses is Isthmus of Tehuantepec, and it is completely in the Mexico region. So you can say it connects North America with South America, or you can say completely in the Latin American region, and it connects Gulf of Mexico with the Pacific Ocean. These are all some of the important straits and isthmuses. Once again, have a look at their location in the map. It can be useful in the mapping and could be asked in some of the competitive exams. So all the very best. See you in the next session with another important topic. Thank you.